Okay, this tutorial is going to be on how to add your instruments. This is very easy. Um, Once you sign in and set up a new project, you're going to see this right here. Um, you're going to see this right here once you create a new track. And you can either push this, click on this one right here, or you can click on this. These are only if you have plugins like you playing an electric guitar, you playing a bass, or anything like that. Um, so you can, like I say, you can add a drum machine or instruments, but I'm gonna show you how to do it here. Um, so what you want to do is go up here that says Add Track. Then you're going to get this uh, drop down thing here. Then if you want a drum machine added, you just put your track. Um, that's gonna put your drum machine up there, and then you have a basic default drum machine set up here. Just a basic default. That's it. It's your basic drum beats, and you can always adjust the way you want the beat here. You can slow the beat down up here with the tempo, um, and yeah. Now, if you want to add a keyboard, virtual instruments that comes with BandLab, all you do is just click on this virtual instrument, and there you go. Um, you see, you have a piano. Okay, and this is how you can change your virtual instruments. You just click on this right here and just put that in, highlight that, then you have a different sound of piano. So what you're going to need to operate this is a MIDI keyboard, or I don't know if your phone has one, the phone app, but you're going to need something to MIDI these notes right here. And then once you're ready to record, you just hit the record button. It's going to give you a 4-count intro, but just hit this record button and then you're set. And then whenever you're ready to add the vocals, it's going to give you just a regular audio vocal track, and it's going to give you a regular audio track. And then you just make sure you select your device that you're using. Whatever device that you're using, just select the device that you're using for input level. And then this here's your auto pitch that you cut on for your vocals. So basically that's it. Real simple to set up instruments. So this is Juan Weave with JVH Production Beats. Hope that helped you figure out how to start recording with BandLab. Take it easy.